Hey everybody, what's up? Adrian here. I got some mugs here fresh out of the kiln. Let's have a look. So I've been working on a combination of underglazes, wax resist, some scraping off to the underlying clay, and also a final glaze. I think the contrast here is working really well. I've been looking at a lot of mid-century modern pottery and decoration and illustration, and I think that era is really showing through on these, especially in the patterning and shapes, very typical of maybe 60s, 70s era. I think these are really good. I like the contrast of drawing with the glazing. Some really interesting results. All kinds of stuff going on there. This is just the first batch of this style for me, so I'm going to refine it and start picking out things that I really like. I like how these sort of almost look like windows or like little paintings. I love how these underglaze colors really pop off of that white. And here you can see that I've scraped through the underglaze, showing the color of the clay body. I think my pottery really speaks to the process quite a bit. This is the last one out of this particular group. Now I'm going to show you the rest of the mugs that I've been working on. So I've received a special order for mugs. So Barbara, if you're watching, these ones are yours. These ones here need to be fired and glazed. These ones are dry, fairly dry. These ones are almost finished drying. And these ones I'm going to trim today and start throwing some more. Lots of mugs to make. That's it for now. Don't forget to subscribe, like, leave a comment. See you later.